Welcome to my channel Facts to Know. Top 25 MCQ quiz. Topic is Geography. Question number 1. The north-south extent of India is? The correct answer is option C, 3214 km. Question number 2. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? The correct answer is option C, Kosi. Question number 3. A landmass bounded by sea on three sides is referred to as? The correct answer is option C, peninsula. Question number 4. The Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar separates India from? The correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. Question number 5. The highest peak in South India is? The correct answer is option C, Anaimudi. Question number 6. Pulicat Lake is located between the states of? The correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu and Andhra. Question number 7. Which plains are formed by the older alluviums? The correct answer is option C, Bangar. Question number 8. Western disturbances causes rainfall in? The correct answer is option C, Punjab. Question number 9. What helps in quick ripening of mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka? The correct answer is option C, mango showers. Question number 10. Dash is a line joining the places of equal rainfall. The correct answer is option A, isohyds. Question number 11. Climate of India is labeled as? The correct answer is option C, tropical monsoon climate. Question number 12. The monsoon forests are otherwise called as? The correct answer is option D, deciduous forest. Question number 13. Seshachalam Hills, a biosphere reserve, is situated in? The correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 14. Dash is a part of the World Network of Biosphere Reserves of UNESCO. The correct answer is option A, Nilgiri. Question number 15. The soil which is rich in iron oxides is? The correct answer is option C, red soil. Question number 16. The soils formed by the rivers are. The correct answer is option D, alluvial soils. Question number 17. Which dam is the highest gravity dam in India? The correct answer is option B, Bakranangal Dam. Question number 18. Which is a cash crop? The correct answer is option A, cotton. Question number 19. Black soils are also called as. The correct answer is option C, Riga soils. Question number 20. The longest dam in the world is. The correct answer is option C, Hirakud Dam. Question number 21. Which crop is called as golden fiber in India? The correct answer is option B, jute. Question number 22. The anthracite coal has. The correct answer is option A, 80 to 95% carbon. Question number 23. The most important constituent of petroleum are hydrogen and dash. The correct answer is option C, carbon. Question number 24. The city which is called as Manchester of South India is. The correct answer is option D, Coimbatore. Question number 25. The most abundant source of energy is. The correct answer is option B, sun. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.